Welcome. In the past we talked about tongue and pulse diagnosis and about stagnation of qi and blood in the body. Today I wanted to talk about the importance of supplementation. Supplementation meaning remedies, medicinal remedies made as herbal formulas, vitamins and minerals. These kinds of supplements are imperative for helping to reestablish well-being in the human body. So we here at the Center for Health stock a number of different kinds of remedies from many different companies around the world. And what I have found is each company really makes some very highly specific and very highly effective kinds of remedies. So I pick and choose to get the best of the best. We use a combination of homeopathic medicine and herbology as a way to really target the problems in an individual and to make a change quickly. So there's a number of ways that I can find out what kinds of supplements are most accurate for helping an individual. And I have many different kinds of supplements here that I can test an individual against using tools that we have here in order to be accurate to determine what a person needs. So we use Chinese herbs, we use American herbs, we use the vitamins and the minerals, and we use homeopathic remedies that are made all over the world. Something I wanted to share with you is about this area, this room specifically that we use here at the Center for Health. So in the procedures that we use here, when a person comes to visit us initially, we do a series of treatments and an analysis process that's very complex and very comprehensive. The purpose of this is to be very precise about all the dynamics and all of the chronic issues that have created their problem. So when I bring an individual into this space here, what happens is we are basically entering into an area where I can investigate using tools and analysis process to be very accurate on all of the dynamics that have created the problem. So what we do here is we use supplements from all over the world in all different forms to test against the body and do an analysis and find out what kinds of things bring the function back up within the human body, and that lets me know where it's happening, what's happening, how long it's been occurring, and what a person needs. Whether the problem is in the blood, whether the problem has something to do with the system like hormone system, nervous system, digestive system, or whether the stress that they've been under for a long period of time is affecting some function someplace. So my remedies that I have here allow for me to investigate specifically, and I enjoy being able to look and work with a person for the solutions. So a very common ailment that occurs in our society is digestive problems. And I spoke about this on my website at delreyacupuncture.com. But digestive problems can come from a number of different things not functioning correctly inside the body. So what we do is we're able to discern in the digestive system how much inflammation is occurring, or how much absorption problem is occurring, or the body's inability to eliminate the waste material. And so then if we have, for example, an inflammation in the digestive system, I may reach and prescribe something like glutamine or aloe vera, which tends to be very soothing to the upper digestive tract. If there's a problem with absorption, not absorbing correctly, we may use a different kind of remedy that has a cleaning effect on the lining to help absorption. Or if there's an elimination problem, we'll use a different kind of combination that's effective for helping to optimize elimination so that it's not recycling back into the body and making the body toxic and creating not only digestive problems but maybe many other kinds of symptoms. So there's many different levels of problems within systems in the body, and I have remedies, and we use the remedies to target what level the problem is at with specific nutrients, such as I spoke of the glutamine, the aloe, bentonite clay, for example, black walnut. These kind of supplements, all very good for helping the whole digestive tract depending on the ailment. So I had this other thought where I wanted to say something about myself and my knowledge about supplements. I want to talk about supplements in the sense of this. You know, people nowadays are reading online, they're going to health food stores and getting information about what supplements they should take for this or for that. And then, what I'm finding is that people are buying supplements for the symptom that they have. And I'm not necessarily saying that's wrong, but what I'm saying is that's similar to practice in pharmaceutical medicine. You're not really treating the cause or understanding what the cause is. You're just looking for something to get some relief with the symptom. I consider myself to be an expert with supplements, and the reason why is because I've been working with them daily, every day, for the last 15 or 16 years. And there's very little about supplements that I don't know or have some knowledge about. So I think when you're dealing with a problem, that it's wise to use a professional to help you understand how to treat the underlying condition, because I guarantee you're going to save money, because when you fix the underlying problem, it's going to be fixed, and you're certainly going to save a lot of time because you're not chasing around symptoms, and you're really minimizing the chance that you're going to make yourself worse by taking something that you shouldn't be. And this is really important, because sometimes people get hurt and this makes a bad name in the industry of supplements. So rather than experimenting and trying, I think it's worth hiring a professional such as myself to be accurate on what it is that you need. And by this, and it makes sense. And in this fashion, that way, you really are addressing the underlying problem. So I stock my clinic with what I consider to be the best remedies from all around the world. I have homeopathic medicine that I've been using for years and years. I have supplements from different companies that really produce some of the best kinds of products, whether it's for digestion, whether it's minerals for the body, or whether it's Chinese herbs. So this is the place that you need to be in order to be accurate, to find the remedies that you do. And I'm certainly the individual that can find out what you need, why you need it, what you should be taking, and how long. So I look forward to you coming, visiting with me, and getting your questions answered, and hopefully becoming a client if we feel like I can help you.